Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to learn weather words. Look at the pictures and read aloud. What does doggy say? It's hot. It's cold. According to picture, we are able to say sun is very hot and doggy feel very hot. That's why he is saying it's hot, and there is very cold season. That's why it's cold. It's wind. Wind means हवा. जब हवा होती है then we can say it's wind. It's windy. It's raining. Raining, you know what's the meaning of rain? Barish. Very good. Then we can say it's a raining. It's nice and warm. जब मौसम थोड़ा गर्म होता है लेकिन इतनी गर्मी महसूस नहीं होती, then we can say it's nice and warm. Warm means गर्म. It's nice and cool. When थोड़ी ठंडी होती है, ज़्यादा गर्मी नहीं होती, ठंडी भी नहीं होती ज़्यादा, लेकिन ठंड महसूस होती है हल्की हल्की. Then we can say it is nice and cool. According to doggy, there are different seasons. Okay, again we are repeat it loudly. It's hot. It's cold. It's windy. It's raining. It is nice and warm. It is nice and cool.